Well, देखिए, the trunklabel.com is mine, and this is Rocky Stars. And many brands can coexist, and they do different kinds of business. So yes, I am here today to support my dear friend because he's made really fantastic stuff. And when he asked me to be a part of this, it's something that I'm excited about as a girl because I'm a consumer. I like good things, I like fashionable things, and I've always loved everything that Rocky has designed. I decided to be a part of this campaign, and that's it. Similarly, Trunk Label is something that I curate myself. So I do take a lot of feedback from Rocky also when I started off. You know, this kind of give and take, we have this kind of synergy in all the work that we do.
But digital platforms, do they take more of a star's time because you're there more as a designer rather than just a brand endorsing that particular
You know,
brand?
I cannot really talk about everybody, but it depends of person's passion. If you want to lend your name and how deeply you want to be involved into something. I'm a kind of person, whenever I do something, I'm always involved. So yes, it does take a lot of time for me, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Ekta here, Roshni from B2C News. I just want to know, Bipasha, कि आप और करण की अफेयर्स की रूमर्स आती रहती हैं. So ये इस तरह से ब्रांड को जो इंडोर्स कर रहे हैं आप इस रॉकेस से जो आपका कोलैबोरेशन हुआ है, तो इसके बारे में बताइए कि आप दोनों कपल जब साथ में आए हैं तो इससे उनको कितना फ़ायदा होगा.
देखिए, सबसे पहली बात है, हम सब दोस्त हैं और आज हम लोगों एक्चुअली वी हैव डन दिस फॉर रॉकी. सो किसको कितना फ़ायदा होगा, मैं तो चाहूँगी सबको फ़ायदा हो. आपको फ़ायदा हो, इनको फ़ायदा हो, कंज्यूमर्स को फ़ायदा हो, तो फ़ायदा तो सबको ही होना चाहिए. The fact that we look good together, there are a lot of people liking our campaign. It's fantastic. Today you will see some pictures. But we are not just together in the campaign, we are individually pushing different products. So ma'am, you have to see the campaign before you ask such strange questions.
मेरा ये सवाल है कि आप दोनों